Hello, so I have given a challenge for myself if I can prepare rasam with three challenges. First thing is I should not be using rasam powder. Second is I should not be using tamarind. And third is I should complete this in just 10 minutes. So let's get started, and for this I'm going to use a timer and I'm going to show with you all also. See, 10 minutes. Started. Okay, the first thing I would like to use as a substitute for tamarind is, because it's summer, I'm going to use mango, raw mango. Okay, raw mango. One second. First one and second one. Okay, and just to save time, I'm going to use my microwave and boil this. And I'll put for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and by the time this is done, my plan is to prepare tadka. So for tadka, just add a little bit of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, a dried chili. Hing is not here. Okay, let me get the hing. Okay, and little bit of hing. Let me just take it. The flavor of hing is amazing. And hing. Okay. Oh yes, and curry leaf also. Beautiful. Basic tadka is ready. In this, I'm going to add 250 ml of water. Okay. Now add some turmeric and salt. So a little bit of turmeric, some salt. Microwave is done. Okay, turmeric, salt. Let me take this out of the microwave and check it out. Maybe I just put for another 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll look for substitute for rasam powder. So rasam powder, what I am planning is I'll use jeera powder, coriander powder, and some black pepper powder. Okay. Okay, I have this and this. Okay, so this is jeera powder. Some half teaspoon of jeera powder, and then coriander powder. 1 really big spoon of coriander powder. I don't think I have black pepper powder readily available, so black pepper. I'll be adding this also. So this is also done. Okay, so it's now 5 minutes in the microwave. And it is done. It is okay, done. And let me just check the timer also. The phone is locked. Perfect. 2.5 minutes ready. I don't know. Well, technically I'm at the last step. So basically add the pulp. Okay, it's too hot. In the meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll bring some coriander. Okay, coriander. Coriander. These are washed, so don't worry about that. I just kept it in the afternoon only. This is done. Little bit of jaggery also. Spoon. Okay, teaspoon here. Okay, just little bit of jaggery for taste. Okay, this is also done. Now the last part. Only thing is I can do it, but it's just too hot. 10 minutes is up. Yeah, 10 minutes is up. Let's see, work it out in the reality, how much time it takes. I'll put another, let's say 2 minutes, and I'll come up with another 2 minutes. So, I'll add cold water. It's okay. Let us check now all these recipes in reality, how much time they actually take. Perfect. This is perfect. This, my brain, my tubeless, my tubeless didn't work back then. This is too hot. I could have done in 10 minutes actually, just because it's just too hot. Keep. I'm almost done. And I think this much of tanginess is good for now. Wow. The hing and the tanginess and the just pepper, and it's just perfect. It's okay if I took some 2 minutes extra, but this is just perfect. Amazing. I love it. So it's done. I challenged myself that I will do in 10 minutes, but I have done in 12 minutes. Wow. I love it. I love it. it. You must try this and comment down below how much time it took for you to prepare this. And one lesson learned from this video is, as soon as you boil that, dip it in a cold water so you can reduce the time. Yeah, I'm listening. Wait a minute. Okay, so that's the only lesson learned in which I can finish this off in 10 minutes. Otherwise, I can say that you can do this in 10 minutes, and it's super easy, super tasty, perfect for summer, tangy and all good. Comment down below, like, share and subscribe.